Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get and enable voice chat in Roblox Mobile for 2025. Let's get started. First, open your Roblox app and tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap it again to open your account settings. Scroll down and find the option Add a phone number. Then tap Add Phone to enter and verify your number. Once it's successfully verified, tap Done. Now go back and select Privacy or Content Restriction. And under the Communication section, you'll find an option for voice chat. Simply toggle it on in the top right corner. And once enabled, you can unmute yourself in games and start talking to others who also have a voice chat enabled. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.